So welcome our Linux Cracker channel. Welcome back. And today we will discuss about mail server. Mail server basically in type of categories. First is MUA, MTA, and then MDA. MDA not MDA masala. It's MDA mail delivery agent. सो हम आज MDA पे ही वर्क करेंगे जो कि हमारा पहला स्टेप है वेब मेल को जाने के लिए। सॉरी, मैंने बताया नहीं आपको कि ये जो मेरा पहली वीडियो है मेल सर्वर पे, इसको मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकेंड स्टेप एंड थर्ड स्टेप इस कैटेगरी में बनाऊंगा। जो मेरा फर्स्ट स्टेप है उसको मैं SMTP के थ्रू शो करूँगा। देन SMTP मीन्स पोस्ट फिक्स सर्वर सर्विस या सर्वर, and then I will second step I will do on Dovacat. It will work on IMAP and POP3. It's MTA server. It will work for MTA. And then second is the last third not least, MUA. MUA means mail user agent and MTA is mail transfer agent. MU is where you interact with your mail message, inbox, chunks, anything whoever see you on your window. That's it's called mail user agent. Mail user agent is like a Microsoft Outlook where you see the message, where you interact with and click or compose any message. It's called MUA. And then MTA works come. MTA is a mail transfer agent where we transferring the agent who we work on delivery a domain zone like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook. It will on have mail server @gmail.com. It will having on mail server @yahoo.com will having their own mail server, and then or they all having or our own mail server. So basically here is doing that, here is working, here is happening that mail server gmail.com is a MTA means MTA server and MTA, and another @yahoo.com is another MTA. So one MTA to another MTA is sending a mail from SMTP server, SMTP protocol, and uses a postfix server. That means SMTP's work only for delivering the message or mail from one MTA to another MTA. It's we can say that outgoing service gives SMTP. So let's begin. Let's see how it will work and how it will be configured by postfix service on CentOS 8 machine. Let's see. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम इसमें पोस्ट फिक्स सर्विस देखेंगे इंस्टॉल है कि नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको SMTP वर्क कराने के लिए हमको पोस्ट फिक्स सर्विस नेसेसरी होती है. तो लेट्स सी which postfix. So no postfix in bin directory or sbin directory. Basically binary forms or for system binary form are stored on the sbin or bin. So let's install postfix. So before installing the postfix, let's see what is our host name. Okay, so host name is cracker.swapnil.com and server, let's see, okay, here is given a IP address. Let's give IP address. I think 1.4 is IP address of my system. 1.10. okay, so nano etc host 123. So let's again write 92.110.8 cracker dot swapnil.com. So content of, okay, now let's install. Sudo yum install -y and postfix service. So by default sometimes send mail service are on, so basically we have to close the send mail service. So let's see it, is it open or not. System ctl status. So send mail is not here available, so no problem. Let's start systemctl. Sorry, I forgot to again sudo systemctl start postfix service. Okay, let's see status. What is the status? So status is active. Let's configure postfix. Oh, and basically postfix work on telnet, so we will install telnet service also. Sudo yum install -y telnet. SMTP mainly use our 25 port. So let's configure our postfix server. So main configuration, primary configuration file is stored under etc under postfix and main.cf. So let's configure sudo nano etc sudo etc postfix and main.cf. okay, so this is our main configuration file of postfix server. So what we will change here, let's see, and please keep attention that what we are doing on this configuration file. So we will not change query, queue directory, command directory. We will not change mail. We will uncomment this line host name, my host name. So मेरा host name जो है वो है cracker.swapnil.com. okay, and my domain है swapnil.com. okay, so my domain is fix sendmail.com, my host name fix cracker.swapnil.com, and my domain it's done, and my origin will left. So we will uncomment this line. My origin is equal to my $my domain. That my origin will take my domain name swapnil.com. okay, now on receiving mail we will inet interface, it will change in all. okay, and inet protocol will be same, interface all. okay, proxy doesn't need to keep any IP, and we will have to change then my destination. Okay, so my destination, my host name means server cracker.subnet.com, localhost 127.0.0.1, and my domain means 127.0.1 and domain swapnil.com. And let's some changes change here. Localhost dot, okay, localhost dot admin, okay, this done. And localhost, and let's write something here, dollar my domain. Okay, it's fine, nothing you have to change here. And then we have to choose मेल डायरेक्टरी, बिकॉज मेल डायरेक्टरी डिसाइड करती है कि हमें मेल कहाँ लेनी है. तो हमें मेल बॉक्स पे लेनी है, मेल डायरेक्टरी पे लेनी है. तो वी विल कमेंट, लेट्स फाइंड वेयर इज मेल डायरेक्टरी. ओके, is here hidden. So I will comment out both of mailbox and mail directory for webmail, and mailbox for, sorry, mail directory we will use for normally telnet on base command based mail transferring, and mailbox we will use for webmail for the in time after a few times when we will configure webmail. Okay, so nothing. Okay, then we have to change spool directory, mail spool, and and then home mail is done, home spool directory, mail spool directory is done. And now we have to change some my network configuration. So where is my network? Let's find again my network. Where is okay, I got it. So uncomment this line, my networks is equal to 160, and change the IP address who is on your system. So I am having 168.92, and change some landmarks 24, and leave it as it is, and that's it, and save it. Control X, press Y, and then enter. Okay, so our job is done for making a mail server for SMTP with help of SMTP protocol. And let's again start postfix service. Systemctl restart postfix service. Okay, and you have to do one thing, and that you have to off or stop firewall service. And let's enable the service postfix for when we start a system and boot a system, then automatically start the postfix service. Enable, and let's stop the firewall. Systemctl stop firewall. Okay, so our firewall has been stopped. Okay, let's see it's stop or not. Okay, stop, and then disable it because we don't want to install during the booting time. So our main configuration file is done. Let's check how it will work and that is working or not. Okay, so then we will use sudo telnet localhost SMTP So this is working. How it's done, how it's you will show that it is working. It will show that connected to host and escape the character is and 220 character crackerswapnil.com asmd postfix. Then see which echo services on local host or server host. EHLO local host. So cracker.swapnil.com here is our means server name. Okay, let's try. Okay. First let's make a user. I forgotten to create a user, so let's start and let's again close it. One log out. Okay, quite okay. So we will use you will create a user, sudo user at user1. Okay, and user2, user1 and user2, and let's change password. Sudo sudo password user1. I'm simply using password 123 and 123 and let's change the password of user2 123. Okay. I'm using simple password. Okay, so let's now try, and then I will use mail from for sending a mail from which sender from we want to send mail. So we will use user1 mail from user1. यदि यहाँ पे आपको 250.210 ओके शो कर रहा है, that means user1 is connected from our SMTP server. Okay, then we will use rcpt2 command for sending a mail, for recipient who will want to send a message or mail. So rcpt2 and user2 because I want to send to user2. Okay, so that's okay. And then we use command data. So under data you can do anything, so you can write anything as you want, as you wish. So I am writing here this is greeting from user1 please ignore this message from mail box or mail direct. Okay, so we are given a data that what data we want to send from mail, and quit this SMTP interaction where we configure all things. So our phone was closed. So let's see that mail are sent by user1 or not to user2. Okay, let's see where is mail directory and where is message we have got it. So we will use home user2 mail directory and new, and then we will use command ls for list. So we will say command cat 16. So here we can see that this greeting from user1 please ignore, I think wrong written or ignore spelling, I think, for sorry for that. if it is wrong, I'm not sure. Please ignore this message from mailbox or mail directory. So ये हमारा था SMTP सर्वर कैसे कॉन्फ़िगर करना है. थैंक यू. एंड जो मैं सेकंड वीडियो लाऊंगा वो मेरी रहेगी पोस्ट फिक्स पे नहीं, पर रहेगी मेरे सेकंड MTA पर, जो है डोबे कैट में हम क्या करेंगे, उसमें हम IMAP एंड POP3 दोनों को एक साथ कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे एंड फिर देखेंगे कि क्या वर्क होता है उसमें. ओके, थैंक यू so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and share it if you think that it is better and better understanding concept for whom who is not understand who is don't know and who is struggling with the SMTP server configuration. Thank you. Like, share and comment करना please ना भूलें. Thank you again.